Are you ready, kids?
Aye, Captain.
Hi, Sea Adventurers. I'm really going to miss starting each day with our morning callback and getting to explore the world of marine biology together this summer. So until we can reunite again in our classroom, we hope you enjoy these summer learning kits that we put together just for you. And if you want to get in touch with us, you can always tag CCE Marine Program on social media and show us just how much fun you're having with your learning kit. Just make sure you have an adult's permission first. And before you go, I found a few friends who have some special messages for you too.
Oh, hi campers! Mr. C here, just hanging out by the woodpile, doing a little reading, catching up on some information about whales and other marine life. Sorry we're not having camp this summer, but that doesn't mean you still can't learn about marine life like whales. So if you get to the library, get a great book, learn about marine life and keep learning. You can always learn about marine life, and I'll have some new stories, adventures, and more knowledge for you next summer. So take care and enjoy the summer.
Hi guys, it's Jessy. I hope everyone is doing well and staying happy. I miss all of you guys, and I hope that even though we're not going to be all together at camp this year, that you can all still hunt for operculums on the beach. So stay positive, stay happy, and have a great summer.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Sarah. I want to start off by saying I'm going to miss you all so much this summer. I love getting to geek out with you on all the things that are marine science, especially sharks. I'm going to miss all the fun adventures we go on and how excited you guys get for fiddler crabbing, dissections, going to the aquarium, and seining. If you see me out and about this summer, don't be shy, say hi. Have a fun and safe summer, and remember, just keep swimming.